Hey there, welcome to the first episode of the Pill Talks podcast, a podcast series on online supplement awareness and consumer behavior. I'm here with our guest, Aaron Maligaya.
Hi
He's
guys.
21, a freelancer in Taguig, and they've been buying supplements online for the past 3 years. Isn't that right,
Period.
Aaron?
Tama yan,
Nice
girl.
to meet you, and thank you
Thank
for
you.
coming here.
Sure, thank you guys for inviting me here.
I want to start with asking your confidence level. How confident are you that the supplements you buy online are safe and legitimate for the past 3 years?
Well, actually, i-rate ko siya ng 6 lang. Why? Because when I check online, nagre-refer talaga ako with ads. Actually, ako yung isa sa pinaka-victim ng ads and mabilis akong maniwala kapag maganda yung ad. So, level 6. Something.
So, madali kang mabudol.
I am. Madali. Sobrang madali.
You think by the end of this podcast, increase yung confidence level mo?
Siguro.
Sana, no? Let's make that a goal.
Yes.
Okay, I want to learn now about you. When did you first start buying supplements? We said past 3 years, but when exactly?
When
Online.
exactly?
What got you into it?
Well, 2022 or 2023 something, nagkaroon ako ng TikTok.
Oh.
And sa TikTok, of course, may TikTok shop
Yeah.
and my first supplement purchase was on TikTok. And I'm gonna be honest, nabudol talaga ako, girl. So, yep, 2022, I started doom scrolling and hindi ako aware. Like, I am not aware talaga with the products na binibenta doon. Bili lang ako ng bili. Basta, magustuhan ko or, akit ako ng ad. So,
2022, 2023 era, no?
Yes.
Medyo,
medyo
out
bagets
of,
pa tayo.
bagets pa, out of the pandemic,
Oo.
palabas pa lang ng pandemic.
Yes.
Medyo health concern pa tayo noon, no?
Mhm.
Was that the reason? What kind of supplements did you buy ba?
Okay. So, ano yun? Ascorbic acid. So, it's a vitamins, di ba? So, syempre, after pandemic, we have to be healthy.
Yeah, be healthy.
And nag-purchase ako ng ascorbic acid or ng multivitamins kasi I wanted to gain weight. And yung ads, sa ad, sinasabi doon na you can gain weight in just a week, ganyan. Of course, nalako ako, girl. Pero, hindi na ako nag ng research ko. I just refer sa mga comments, gano'n.
Comments,
And
reviews.
it's bad, sa mga reviews. I know it's bad, pero kasi bagets pa ako nun. And I think, kailangan ko pa talaga ng, ng knowledge about it. So,
Yeah, we will dive deep into those reviews, no?
yes.
Just the reviews. But you said you're already talking about what you were doing. You were doom scrolling, then you were reading the
Yes,
reviews.
correct,
Is that your process? Can you take me through the actual process? Like if you were to buy a supplement right now, how would we see? What would we see you do?
Well, right now, since very naman na din ako, media literate.
Wow, media literate.
Since medyo naman na tayo, conscious naman na tayo with what we,
Yeah.
get online.
Definitely.
Of course, kapag supplement siya, kasi tinitake natin yun internally. And, ayun, I have to check talaga kung FDA approved siya ngayon And I have to also check the reviews. I have to also check if the brand is, parang katiwa-tiwala ba siya, ganun. And, yeah. Pero kung i-compare ko naman yung ako, sa ngayon, sa before talaga, hindi ako nag-check, nag-refer lang ako with ads. So, malaking difference naman na siya ngayon.
So, would you say ngayon, nag-check ka ng, besides the FDA approval, the other information like ingredients, the dosage, that kind of stuff?
Yep. Hindi ako nag-check talaga before, but right now,
Right now, yes.
yes.
Mm-mm.
Very, na ako.
So, what made you start checking these,
Well, I'm already 21 years old,
21.
Parang, syempre, I have to know everything. Lahat ng tinitake ko, of course. And especially, supplements. Also, kahit skincare, guys. Sobrang mapili na ako. So, yep. I check the ingredients. I also check if it's FDA approved, of course.
Yep.
And yun lang, ganun lang.
So, with checking FDA approval, you go to the actual site and check there.
Yes, I go to the actual site and I also check sa ibang shops pa if I buy online, I also check sa ibang platform, of course, Shopee, Lazada, also website. And website for FDA-approved na supplements, check din natin siya dun actually.
It's interesting to note that you're already an avid checker of the ingredients, the FDA approval, all of the more finer details. But why would you rate yourself a confidence level of 6?
Right now, before 6, no? But right now, siguro 8 or something.
Right.
I'm sorry with my previous answer. Siguro before 6 talaga ako. But right now, I can say na I'm 8.
Yeah.
Well, because I check na. Ayun.
Check now. Let's dig into this a bit more with your decision-making process.
Yeah.
When you're deciding whether to buy a supplement, what matters most to you? What factors?
Siguro yung benefits niya talaga. I mean, all of us naman siguro if we wanna get something sa internet, yung benefits niya yung gusto nating makuha. So, yeah, it's the benefits.
Ayun yung pinaka nangingibabaw na factors sa'yo.
Yes.
Anything else that comes second to that or third?
Benefits. Ano pa ba? Feeling ko yun lang naman eh. Siyempre, if I get something na, let's say, I wanna gain weight, of course, kailangan ko ng vitamins for me na mapapagana ako mag-eat, kumain, for me to gain weight. So, it's really the benefits lang talaga. Ganun.
With that in mind, you're using that indicator, the benefits. And like you said before, you were using reviews. None of those actually confirm the product is FDA registered or safe.
Yep.
So have you ever had a bad experience with a supplement you bought online?
So far, wala na. So far, wala naman, guys. And since medyo naman na ako ngayon, maingat naman na ako ngayon, I think hindi yun mangyayari. So, before wala naman akong na-experience. But, ang alam ko lang is hindi talaga siya nag-effect, girl. Parang wala. So, yun lang yung experience ko with that supplement, specific supplement.
I think it's lucky that you didn't get any adverse yung malala or masamang effects.
True.
But still, the fact na hindi siya umepekto sa'yo, parang you didn't get your money's worth, would you say, no?
Oo. Actually, nasayang yung money ko.
Nasayang talaga. So, if you would go back in time,
hindi ko na bibilin yun,
hindi mo na
syempre.
bibilin.
Oo.
Mas titingnan mo yung ibang factors.
Siguro, mas bibili na lang ako ng mas safe.
Mas safe. Kasi trusted.
Trusted, of course.
We know better now. So, the only way is forward, diba?
Totoo.
And since hindi naman masama yung epekto, I guess there was no need to report it to FDA.
Yeah.
But did you use any of your platforms to talk about your experience na hindi siya umepekto sa'yo?
Actually, hindi. Hindi naman ako nakapag-post or, share pa sa iba. Actually, dito lang sa platform na to. So, guys, thank you for inviting me here. At least, diba? Share ko yung experience ko na hindi nag-take effect ng ganitong mga products.
3 years.
Oo. At least nakatulong ako, diba?
Yeah.
But hindi ako nag-post online.
Yeah. What about like reviews? Kasi usually when you buy, diba, na direct ka na sa reviews and then it's easy. Then you get coins pa.
It takes a lot of time kasi. Siyempre, kailangan ko maubos yung isang bottle for me to do a review. So, hindi na ate. Oo, hindi na talaga.
So, yung ibang reviews parang 5 stars kasi maganda lang yung packaging.
Maganda lang yung packaging. Ano lang ako. Wow, cute ng feel.
Cute ng feel. Delivered quickly.
5 stars na siya agad. Di ba?
Well, after that, no? Siguro hindi ka nakapag-review, hindi ka nakapag-share. But napansin mo sa sarili mo na hindi siya umepekto. Did that make you curious? Did that make you check FDA for FDA approval?
Oo naman. Actually, here's the thing, guys. Nung naubos ko yung isang bottle na yun, doon ko lang naisipan na i-check siya sa FDA site. Now, I found out na hindi siya FDA approved. And I was like, girl, naubos ko na siya. Tapos ngayon ko lang chinek, hindi pala siya FDA approved. So, pero walang epekto, hindi man lang ako nagugutom. Diba? Kasi mostly ng mga multivitamins, ganun talaga yung side effect. Gutom ka for you to be, for you, para kumain, maging energetic, ganito ganyan. And the vitamins, of course. So, nung chinek ko, hindi siya FDA approved.
Interesting, no? If I may ask, as a transition to our next segment,
Mm.
yung binili mong supplement, was that like from a very famous seller or brand?
Yes, grabe yung ano
Famous
eh.
famous online or famous in like the mass media talaga?
Famous on TikTok.
Nag-trend siya.
Yes, nag-trend yung video niya. Of course, yung ibang videos din trending eh.
Trending.
And sobrang exaggerated kasi talaga nung
Gets.
advertisement. So, ano talaga ako. Alam mo yun, nabudol talaga.
Mm-mm. So, that's very relevant for the next segments. Let's talk influencers.
Yeah.
How much do you trust their recommendations? Given your experience, let's do a comparison
Okay.
before and now.
Okay, so before, I trust influencers a lot because syempre, they live the,
Yeah.
the modest the modest life. Or like,
Yeah.
they live in a life, fantasy, ganun.
At
First, parang I believe them. Also sa skincare, guys. No? Hindi
Mm-mm.
na naman sa mga supplements. And naniniwala talaga ako sa kanila. Siguro 99% naniniwala ako sa kanila. But right now, I have my own decision. I am old.
Old.
I am matanda naman na din ako. And I have my own decision. So, yeah, I only trust what is, legit
It's legit.
right now. So, yun lang.
Pag na-fact check na talaga.
Fact check tayo talaga, guys.
But on the note or on the topic of influencers, did you ever like check their posts kung sponsored ba siya? Did it ever cross your mind to check kung sponsored ba siya? Kung binabayaran sila para i-promote yung supplement? And did that ever make you think kung may deeper purpose pa or like may hidden agenda?
Yeah. Siguro right now, if nakita ko sa video na sponsored siya, of course, maiisip ko na agad na this is a paid ad.
Yeah.
Binayaran siya to do this. Pero before kasi, hindi ko na siya pinapansin. Oo. Tingin lang ako ng mga videos about the product and I feel like, okay na siya. Yun, bilhin ko na siya. But right now, once na makita ko na agad na this is a paid advertisement, mabother na ako and check ko talaga yung product if gustong-gusto ko siyang bilhin, diba?
That's great. I
Yep.
think ang dami mong growth in the past.
Thank you.
And it's great that we're talking about it now because I feel like a lot of our
Period.
viewers here are currently in the position that you were in 3 years ago.
Yep.
Diba? So, mag-reality check na tayo.
Sure,
The
sige.
last segment, this is the last set of questions I have for you. We're almost done. Actually, galing. Bilis na usapan natin. Knowing what you know now, that there is an FDA verification portal that you can use for free and it's so easy to access. It just takes a few minutes. And that could also prevent health issues and wasting your money.
I agree.
How are you feeling about that? How does that make you feel? What are your overall thoughts?
Well, first, I am very happy because, very aware na ako.
Yeah.
And alam ko na kung paano siya i-check because we have the FDA portal. Also, hindi na ako nabubudol. So, yeah, my first reaction is, of course, happy ako with my growth. But siguro kung mababalikan ko yung ako before, I'm gonna be sad kasi nasayang yung money ko. Yun lang.
Sayang.
Oo.
Well, let's not dwell on the past.
Of course. Past is
We're
past.
in the better present. We're
Period.
happier. We're more informed. And
We're
I think
more healthy.
we're healthier kasi umi-epekto na ang
Oo.
pill supplements.
Yes. Yes.
But I think I know how I can make that smile even bigger, better, and mas livelier pa tayo. Do you have an idea what I'm thinking?
Wala.
Wala? Okay, kasi ang iniisip ko, mag-activity tayo.
Okay, I'm excited. Ano
You're
yan?
excited? You ready?
I
Okay,
am.
our activity is the balance game. And have you ever heard of
Balance
that?
game. No.
Balance game? Well, let's get into it, no?
Okay, let's go.
The balance game is actually our version of Would You Rather e-commerce supplement edition. Period. And how it's gonna go is that I'm going to present to you 2 options. And then choose one and tell us why you chose that option.
Okay.
Pretty simple, no?
Yes.
Let's start. Let's go.
Let's
Okay.
go.
First, would you rather buy a supplement from a seller with 10,000 and more 5-star reviews but no FDA registration number visible,
Mm-mm.
or A new seller with only 50 reviews, but FDA registration number is clearly displayed in the photos.
Ooh, of course, dun ako sa new seller na may 50 reviews but FDA registered. So, di ba, aanhin ko yung 10,000 reviews and 5-star if it's not gonna, work with me. So, dun ako sa FDA approved.
Doon ka sa FDA approved.
Yes.
Better safe than sorry.
Safe than sorry.
Also yung 10,000
Oo nga,
reviews na yan.
makakain ko ba yun, girl? Hindi naman.
Malay mo, di ba? Like, mga bot accounts yun.
Oo,
Diba?
we're not
Hindi
sure.
tayo sure. But sure tayo sa verification.
Sa FDA.
Let's go to the next one. Would you rather buy your favorite pre-workout for 800 pesos with FDA registration verified, or the same pre-workout for 450 pesos but can't find the FDA registration number?
Well, as long as it FDA registered, bibilin ko yun, girl.
Mhm.
So, kahit 800 pesos siya compared sa 450, so halos kalahati, di ba? Kung
Yeah.
800 siya, bibilin ko siya because it's FDA approved. Right?
It's FDA approved.
Period.
Now, let's go to the next one.
Mhm.
Would you rather buy a supplement recommended by your favorite fitness influencer with 500,000 followers but no FDA check mentioned, or buy a supplement you found yourself, verified the FDA registration, but no influencer endorsement?
I have, specific content creator or like fitness
Yeah.
content influencer na talagang, crush ko siya siguro.
Oo.
Hindi joke. Pero of course, kailangan natin i-check yung binibenta niyang product. So, dun pa rin ako sa FDA registered. So, kahit na, kahit na hindi siya promote ng favorite influencer ko or fitness influencer ko, as long as I check na sa FDA portal, I check it myself sa FDA portal na approve yung product na ito, yun yung bibilin ko.
Hindi ka ba nahirapan sa question na to? Like you said, you have like your
Low-key.
influencers that you follow.
Siguro low-key kasi I have parang specific fitness
Oo.
fitness
And
crush na
it's not like
influencer.
they're doing
And it's
wrong
so
naman
sad.
talaga, diba?
Hindi, joke lang.
Gusto.
So, pa rin tayo sa registered, guys.
Yeah.
Makinig kayo sa akin.
Now, let's move on to the next one. Would you rather spend 2 minutes verifying FDA registration before adding to cart, or skip verification and check out immediately because nag-rush ka?
Aanhin mo naman yung di ba? Yung 2 minutes, di ba?
2
Kung
minutes.
check mo naman talaga na this is legit and this is safe. So, I will spend my 2 minutes verifying the product muna talaga.
That's so right. We spend our time doing so many other things. Ano
Period.
naman ang 2 minutes,
Oo
di ba?
nga. Yep.
And another one for you.
Okay.
Would you rather buy from a Shopee mall or a preferred seller badge but no FDA registration visible? Or would you buy from a regular seller with no special badge but FDA registration number is clearly shown and verified?
You know what, guys? I used to buy on Shopee kasi sa Shopee maraming mga
Yeah.
registered malls na talaga.
Mm-mm.
Even yung mga famous brands. So, in this case or in this scenario, siguro dun pa rin ako sa FDA registered kahit na regular seller lang siya. As long as I check na this is FDA approved, I'll go for it.
Yeah.
Period.
But what if we can get the best of both worlds? Both
Siguro.
may badge tapos may
Yes.
FDA. That would be the best, no?
Legit na legit.
Legit na legit,
Legit kung
talaga.
legit.
Legit na legit
Yes.
talaga. And I think that is it for our
Period.
prompts. Period. Indeed. And on that note, we are done with the segment, the activity segment, Would You Rather or the
Period.
Balance Game e-commerce supplements edition. It's time to wrap up our podcast. and
Hala,
talk
ayoko.
here. Ayaw pa.
Hindi, joke lang.
Huwag ka na umalis. Dito ka na lang.
Joke lang,
Gusto
joke.
na lang tayo.
Okay, let's go.
And to everyone watching or listening, if this conversation resonated with you, take 5 minutes today to check the supplements you have at home. On that note, we'll link to the FDA verification portal in the description. It's free, it's easy, and it could literally save your health. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and keep talking about pills.